What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in Pokemon TCG Pocket 2025. So, you might be wondering how to exactly redeem your codes here. Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to get our details first. So, let's go open up Pokemon TCGP and you want to go ahead and just basically access your account here. So, let's just go ahead and access our account here. There are going to be some pop-ups here, but in this case, go ahead and click on our 3-bar icon at the bottom right here. Go ahead and click on it or press on it, and you want to go to the very top here. You have your support ID. Now you want to go ahead and copy that first, and once you've copied that, you want to exit the actual game, because we'll be accessing an actual web page that we can redeem our code. So in this case, let's go open up our browser here and just type in the following, which is going to be a Pokemon TCG Pocket claim code. Now from here, you should see a link that says Pokemon Trading Card Game Pocket. Go ahead and click on it. So the webpage should be exactly like what I'm showing you right now. But what you need to do is you just need to enter your support ID as well as your gift code here, and just click on the send button that you see at the very bottom here. Now once you click on send here, it should actually start the claiming process here. It might take a while, but in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.